Imagine walking into a room that feels like it was designed just for you. A space that reflects your personality, your dreams, your very essence. What would that room look like? Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore the intricate dance between who we are and how we live. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button to join us on more design journeys. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of how your personality shapes your ideal living space. Let's step into 5 distinct worlds, each a perfect match for a unique personality type. The practical organizer. Efficient, methodical, and always in control. For this personality, the clean lines and functional beauty of Scandinavian minimalism are a perfect fit. Imagine stepping into a space where the chaos of the outside world melts away, replaced by a sense of calm order. Soft, neutral colors wash over you like a soothing balm, instantly lowering your heart rate. Natural light pours through large, unadorned windows, dancing across pale floors and illuminating carefully curated shelves. Everything has its place, from sleek storage solutions to minimalist decor that speaks volumes in its simplicity. This room whispers, "Breathe easy, everything is under control." For the practical organizer, this isn't just a room, it's a sanctuary of efficiency where clarity of mind and purpose reign supreme. The creative free spirit, vibrant, unconventional, and always dreaming. For this soul, the eclectic charm of Bohemian style is a natural extension of their personality. As you enter this space, it's like stepping into a vibrant dreamscape. Colors dance before your eyes. Rich jewel tones, sun-washed pastels, earthy neutrals, all mingling in a joyful celebration of hue. Textures beckon to be touched. The nubby weave of a handmade throw, the smooth coolness of a ceramic vase, the soft pile of a vintage rug. Each object tells a story, creating a living, breathing expression of creativity. Plants of all shapes and sizes reach towards the sunlight, their leaves casting intricate shadows on the walls. This isn't just a room, it's a space where ideas flow freely, where inspiration strikes at any moment. In this beautiful chaos, there's a sense that anything is possible. The Elegant Sophisticate. Refined, cultured, and always impeccably put together. Modern glamour speaks to their appreciation for the finer things in life. As you cross the threshold into this space, you're enveloped by an air of understated luxury. The room seems to hold its breath, as if awaiting a grand event. Sumptuous fabrics in deep, rich hues catch the light, the sheen of silk, the depth of velvet, creating an atmosphere of indulgence. A chandelier overhead casts prismatic reflections across the room. The clean lines of modern furniture are softened by plush textures, inviting you to sink in and stay a while. Art pieces adorn the walls, each one carefully chosen to provoke thought and admiration. This isn't just a living space, it's a statement, a reflection of a life well lived. For the Elegant Sophisticate, this room is more than a retreat. It's a stage for life's most beautiful moments. The Cozy Homebody, warm, nurturing, and happiest when surrounded by loved ones. The welcoming embrace of rustic farmhouse style feels like coming home. As you step into this space, it's like receiving a warm hug from an old friend. The scent of freshly baked bread mingles with the earthy aroma of wooden beams overhead, instantly transporting you to a simpler, more nurturing time. Soft, well-worn furniture invites you to sink into comfort, while hand-knitted throws stand ready to ward off any chill. The crackle of a fire provides a soothing soundtrack, its warm light dancing across walls adorned with family photos and cherished mementos. Sunlight streams through gingham-curtained windows, casting a golden glow over the kitchen. This isn't just a room, it's the heart of a home, a place where memories are made and traditions are born. The Adventurous Eclectic. Curious, well-traveled, and always eager for new experiences. Global fusion style is the ideal canvas for their worldly outlook. Stepping into this space is like embarking on a journey around the world, each corner offering a new discovery. The air is filled with a subtle blend of exotic spices and fresh citrus, evoking memories of far-off markets and sun-drenched coastlines. Your eyes dance from one fascinating object to another, each piece telling a story of a distant place and time. Underfoot, a richly patterned rug adds depth and history. This isn't just a living room, it's a personal museum of experiences, a physical manifestation of a life lived in full color. For the Adventurous Eclectic, this space is both a comfort and an inspiration, a reminder of journeys past and a launching pad for adventures yet to come. As we've journeyed through these spaces, perhaps you've recognized elements of yourself in one or more of them. Remember, just as our personalities are unique blends of traits, our ideal living spaces can be a beautiful fusion of styles. The key is to surround yourself with elements that speak to your heart and reflect your true self. We'd love to hear which style resonated most with you. Drop a comment below and let us know if you're a practical organizer, a creative free spirit, an elegant sophisticate, a cozy homebody, or an adventurous eclectic, or perhaps a combination of them all. If you enjoyed this journey through personality-inspired design, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of interiors. Until next time, may your space be a true reflection of you. Sweet dreams of rooms that feel just right.